Winning the hearts of girls, or anyone for that matter, involves being genuine, respectful, and attentive. Here are some key tips. Be yourself. Authenticity. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity is attractive because it shows confidence and sincerity. Confidence. Believe in yourself, but avoid arrogance. Confidence is appealing, but humility is endearing. Show genuine interest. Listen actively. Pay attention to what she says. Show interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Ask questions. Engage in meaningful conversations by asking open-ended questions about her interests and opinions. Respect and kindness. Respect boundaries. Understand and respect her personal space and boundaries. Consent is crucial in any interaction. Kind gestures. Small acts of kindness can go a long way. Whether it's a thoughtful compliment or a simple act of service, kindness shows you care. Communication skills. Be a good conversationalist. Balance talking and listening. Share your thoughts, but make sure to give her space to share hers as well. Positive body language. Maintain eye contact. Smile genuinely and avoid closed-off body language like crossed arms. Build trust and reliability. Be dependable. Keep your promises and be someone she can rely on. Consistency builds trust over time. Show empathy. Be understanding and supportive. Empathy strengthens emotional connections. Share common interests. Find common ground. Discover shared hobbies or interests. Activities you both enjoy can help strengthen your bond. Be open to new experiences. Show willingness to try new things that she enjoys. It shows you value her interests. Take care of yourself. Self-care. Taking care of your own well-being physically, emotionally, and mentally makes you more attractive and available for a healthy relationship. Personal growth. Strive for continuous self-improvement. Ambition and a drive to better yourself are appealing qualities. Be patient. Don't rush. Building a genuine connection takes time. Patience is key to forming a lasting relationship. Handle rejection gracefully. If she doesn't reciprocate your feelings, respect her decision and move on graciously. Maintain a positive attitude. Stay positive. A positive outlook on life can be very attractive. It makes people want to be around you. Humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. Just be mindful of the type of humor you use. Create memorable experiences. Plan thoughtful dates. Plan activities that are fun and memorable. Show that you put thought into the experience. Celebrate milestones. Remember important dates and celebrate achievements or special moments together. Show appreciation. Compliments. Give sincere compliments that acknowledge her unique qualities and efforts. Gratitude. Express gratitude for the time you spend together and for her presence in your life. By